Hello. Welcome back to another Bay Boys video. What's up with y'all? We got a lot going on today. Or, not really a lot, but some interesting stuff. As you can see, the cherry picker ain't there no more. We've had some technical difficulties with the GoPro, so we can record all of this, but we got another motor. It's not for that. It's for this man's CRX. Let them know what we did.
I don't know, man. I just freaking went to a store, asked them for something. They gave me something that they were actually going to use. So it's pretty dope that we ended up getting it. So it's a freaking B20. I think the guy said, what, 94 to 01?
Yeah.
And then it's high comp, low profile, high speed, low drag.
Yeah, so it's a JDM motor.
And he gave us a fucking Honda alternator too.
Yep.
Yeah.
He said it had less than 20,000 miles on it. Yeah, he said he was gonna. The owner of the 1320 out here said he was gonna use it for his car, but they sold it to this guy here. So, yeah, we're gonna put this thing in the CRX because he was having transmission issues and we didn't want to put another D series in there. So, gonna put the B20 in there. And yeah, so pretty much about to start this man's build series for the CRX, which is pretty cool.
I raced a Ford Fiesta. It beat me once, and I beat it the next time.
We gotta help this.
It was an SE. It was a manual SE.
My man got gapped by a Focus.
We took off from the first light. There was traffic, so I slowed down. He beat me. We took off from another light. I pulled away from him. When I finally hit third gear, it only took forever. I got there. I fucking beat him. The light turned yellow. I started slowing down. This fool kept going straight through the red light. I was like, hell no, bro. I knew I wasn't gonna bow.
I was trying to tell this man to get a K series, and then he was like, nah, it's too much power.
Even the people at
the
shop. He did
say the same thing.
Even the people at the shop was like, nah, bro. And I was like, see, I knew y'all was just crazy. You monsters only want power. More power, baby. Is that do they have that what's the word?
Trademark?
Yeah, do they have that trademark?
I don't know.
Cut it out.
He's got his copyright strike.
Cut it out. You good. Just trying to make sure, fool. Don't say nothing. You want to grab the pallet off of there and freaking put it in there, bro.
Forgot y'all was out here.
It's recording?
Left these folks.
Recording?
Yeah.
So, did you put it to where they could see us walk it?
Well, I put it to where they could see us get that shit off of there.
Nice.
So we had to put the pallet here in this perfect little spot that we had here, and we picked up these front legs and put them on the side here, and we pushed it and lowered the shit on there. I made it work, y'all. Let the Marines figure it out, because we always will. Oh, that's hilarious. But yeah, so the motor's here. Gonna go to a junkyard. That's the alternator they gave us.
For free.
Because they're cool people. But yeah. Alright guys, we're back. About to cut this board out. This is gonna go in the back of the hatch. Gonna get some latex paint it, and then throw this in the back. And that's what the battery will be mounted to, so it doesn't break on me like this thing here did and fall apart, because we don't need the battery falling over or nothing like that. And then as you guys have probably seen, the the bottom part of the dashboard is all like broken off and hanging and shit. So I went and got some super glue. Gonna take this tab that broke off, glue it back up there, and then we should be good to just put the screw back in, and it'll hold itself up like it's supposed to. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. There'll be no junkyard today because that man has to go to Oakland. So we're just gonna finish this up, and then that'll be it for the video today. So probably set this here with him so you guys can watch him cut this thing, and I'll be back when I'm done with the dash.
You gonna make me cut it?
Yeah.
Oh God.
You don't trust yourself?
Fuck no.
Do you want to glue the part of the dash up then?
Not particularly.
Okay, well you can hang out then, and I'll go glue the dash up and then come and do this.
I mean, you know, I'll get it set up for you.
Okay. Well, my man's don't trust himself with the dangerous tools, so I'm gonna. You draw, bro. You got more precision than anybody. Exactly. If anybody should be able to cut some smooth lines, it should be you.
Where the extension?
It's in that brown box with the detail and stuff right there. Yeah, that one. Just hold on 1 second, I'll be back. So just like that, it's glued up. Gonna let it sit here and dry, and then it's gonna bolt this junky ass shit back up. All of this is gonna get redone, so you know, don't roast me. I know it's a mess, but it'll all get fixed in due time. Cause I hate the way all that shit looks. So yeah, but yeah, shout out to this glue, some regular ass glue, and yes, yeah, so now that's that. Once that's done drying up, I'll freaking hook that part of the dash back up, and this man has begun cutting.
Very confusing. How do you start these?
I have no idea. I could try to hold it for you.
One eternity later.
Give it up.
W-O-W. Yeah.
And you're like somewhere. Cool. Alright, let's see if that'll help. We got pretty rigged edges on these freaking cutters, so also none of us are fucking professionals, wood guys. We don't do wood.
Never done this before. We're literally winging this.
Big wings.
Eye protection, guys.
Alright, y'all. Speed setting 6.
Damn, look at
I
that.
just cut that shit.
Look at the
back of his neck.
Look at it. Look at it. Look at her wrist.
look at how clean that is.
Look at this dude.
Sheesh.
Not the shoes.
Alright. So from here we're just gonna freaking go straight down and then come in. And then we'll hit this freaking crazy curve.
We do here is go back.
What? Come the fucking turn back on so I can see what it's looking like. There we go. Yeah. Pretty clean cuts, huh?
Put this in the hatch now.
Hit us up for your freaking wood dilemmas.
And it freaking turned off on us, but We put this back in
the
here
old
just
one.
to see the old one. As you can see,
Old
it's
one
all
on top
ate
of the
up
new
and
one.
stuff. We just gotta cut these little edges right here, cut across the top all along here, and then we gotta cut this edge right here that we marked. Other than that though, we did a pretty good job for our first time doing something like this. It's pretty straight at the bottom. You can't even see this one under here, and then this here, but I mean, it fits pretty good though. So just gotta cut this top area up here, and we'll be good, right? All right, so yeah, we'll get back to you guys once it's all cut. All right, we're about to test this shit again. Hopefully this fits this time. We gotta drop this, yeah.
It's damn near perfect.
And what we want to do is freaking get something else to support up under there.
Yeah.
We could actually probably use those pieces that we already have and throw some wood glue or something on there. I mean, all it has to do is sit straight
Yeah.
and freaking provide pressure from those downward forces.
Yeah.
Or support from that.
And we could honestly just glue all that shit in the center where the tire is supposed to be.
Mm-hmm.
So we don't gotta worry about it obstructing
Oh yeah,
anything.
see,
Oh
the
yeah.
fucking seats came up perfectly.
Yeah.
It's a nice fucking fit.
We just need to really just sand, because this is fucking right here where it's going down.
Right, and that's gonna be a
On
quick
on
sand.
both sides. Yeah.
That's fucking good.
Because this shit is pretty much flush. It's just that front part's not going
And
down.
we'll be able to fucking screw shit into there.
Yep. Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
That's more than good. So the battery's probably gonna be sitting off to the side right here.
Regardless of us not having the cleanest cut angles, this is still a pretty clean job.
Especially for our first time.
Once we file off those rough edges and then put like some cloth or something over it, or even if we just do a finish
that,
over
yeah.
the wood, that'll start to look really clean.
Yeah, we're gonna do the latex paint on here probably, or I'll just get some. I don't know. Yeah, probably do that latex paint because it is wood, so I want to get it all protected, and I don't want that shit looking all crazy and stuff. So we did it. Finally did this. Been talking about doing it for super long, but just didn't really do all the research to figure out where I could get the wood from and all that shit. But finally did, and we went and did it. So here we are. Just need the battery box. I could have kept the ammo can, but I threw it away. Just
The ammo
'cause-
can would have been sick because we
Yeah.
could have just drilled straight through it.
That's
straight
how I
through
had
the
it
wood.
before,
Yeah,
but I just didn't know.
and you can always get one.
No, like I said, I could get the. So at my job, they sell fucking Taylor Racing battery boxes. So I'm gonna get one of those for my job with a discount. Throw that in here. Get a nice little battery tied down or whatever.
I need to do this for my sub.
Bring the cables from up under there. Freaking. Honestly,
and we
bro,
can either do
we
it
could
really-
we could get a hole saw. Fucking drill
Yeah,
some holes in there and
I
have them come out the
have,
bottom.
I have freaking drill bits. I don't know if I have the right size for those cables.
Yeah.
but we could definitely do that, and that would be really clean. Just have them come in straight out
off the
opposite
wood.
sides,
Yep.
right on top.
Yep.
Should be sick.
We definitely should do that.
Yeah. So for the CRX, we're gonna do this again.
Yes, sir.
But instead, we're gonna take my sub and drill my sub to the wood so it doesn't slide when I drive.
Oh, nice.
Especially
Yeah.
since I'm about to get faster. You know those corners, they like to take me out. So I gotta keep my sub in place.
So this is it. Guess it's time to clean up now.
Yep.
And then
Wait for those guys to come pick this
he's
stuff
leaving.
up.
Oh my God. Man gonna be blind. He already blind.
I got good glasses.
All right, y'all. That's it. Just waiting for them to come pick the hatch up now. Don't know when they're gonna be here, but yeah, we had a pretty productive day. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with us. What?
We're supposed to be waiting for this guy to come get your freaking car.
Yeah.
He hasn't said anything yet.
Tell these people goodbye.